What you see here is a 1953 Anderson. If you've known us for a long time, you'll know that this is one of the first vintage travel trailers that we ever owned. So it holds a special place in our heart, this particular model of trailer. And you will see when we get inside one of the reasons why it is so special. But I'll tell you on the outside, a couple of the things that make this trailer really, really neat and unique is that it does have the trolley windows. And also it has porthole windows on both the front door and the rear bedroom back door. It's got this great little swoop in the back of the trailer. And if I come around here, I just uncovered this trailer so you can see the cover laying on the ground, but it's got an interesting paint detail there. Both of the Andersons that we owned, we actually polished this area here up around the top of the trailer, and then also along the bottom and then on the rear. So I'm gonna just let you see the condition of the body. This is really a great candidate for restoration because the body is quite straight. Somebody has painted it, and if I were to keep this trailer, I would suggest, or I would opt for a new paint job personally. I do like the look of the polish and the paint. You'll see that we have the original wheels here. Tires have been replaced and it was super easy to transport. And then again, there's that porthole window that I was talking about in the bedroom back door. So there's the corner. I'm going to take you around now and give you a tour of the inside. Okay, so let's take a look inside. And right before we do, I'll just let you take a good look at the door. There's that porthole window. You got the original door handle here. We've got the original grab handle, and it even has the glass here, which is really, really great. A door knob, which works well. One of my favorite things about this trailer. You've got your original Anderson step. And as we step in, you get to see how cool this trailer is. I like to think of this as a trailer home as opposed to just a travel trailer. It is so beautiful. I absolutely love the valances in Anderson. They're great for your drapery hardware, but then also you've got these fluorescent bulbs that go inside of the valances, so it puts light. Not only do you have uplighting, but then you have these cool little light details in the evening when the lights are on. This curved wood, this is so gorgeous, and this is something that it comes with the Anderson trailer. You'll see there's just a little bit of water in the corners there. I think that someone at some point did replace the lower panels in the living room, and obviously they put in this new hardwood floor. And as you scan back, you'll see one of the panels here was replaced, this one, but this is the original wood here. The heater would have sat in this location and it would have vented through there. It is missing. And so that would need to have something either replaced or maybe to patch that area and build something else in this area. This here is another super, super cool thing about the Anderson, and it is the expando bar. And I'm going to pause this video and pull it out for you so you can see this super, super cool feature of the 1953 and 54 Andersons. Okay, so I have just pulled that cabinet out, and look at that. It expands to reveal this huge area for the table leaves, and the table leaves are actually stored right in there. So the next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pull those out, set them up so you can see how giant this dining table really is. Okay, hang tight. Okay, if that isn't the coolest thing you've ever seen, I don't know what will impress you. Look at that. That's seating for at least 5 people, perhaps more. It is a travel trailer, so we like to get real snuggly inside of them. You can see where the table leaves are normally stored. And that is just seriously the easiest thing to put together and just the coolest feature. Okay, so now that you're buying this trailer, let me show you around a little bit more. So you'll see that we have storage also under the bar there. And then we have this fabulous room divider, which I love, mirrored. So it definitely gives the look of more space, and it cleverly divides the kitchen from the living room. So let me move this over here. You will see that we've got a really beautiful original Dixie Wanderer range. It's in fabulous condition. If we open it up here, you can see that it's in really good shape. There's a couple extra pans there for you. Then we've got the warming drawer. Really, really clean. The sink, this is the original vintage sink, and it's in pristine condition, as are the countertops. And we've got the plastic wall tile backsplash. You've got waterfall drawers in the kitchen, and then some under sink storage. This cabinetry could use a little restoration. It looks like it's gotten a little dry here, and it kind of sticks. So I would anticipate working on that a little bit. In here as well, you'll have like all the cabinet doors. They're push to open, and that gives you a good idea of what they're like. There's a Lazy Susan in here. This is something that's kind of unique, is that someone has gone ahead and painted a lot of the interior of the cabinets in this trailer in a red color. And you're gonna see this as we continue our tour, which is quite interesting. So I hope you're a big fan of red. This here is the original vent hood and light. This trailer's not plugged in right now. Another cool light fixture there. And as we come around the kitchen, you'll see the wardrobe there. Now you're gonna see what I'm talking about with the red. It's an interesting choice. So there you go. And then you've got your original Philco refrigerator, and this refrigerator is so cool. Look at the logo there. Oh, I love it. And this is the best part. This bright, like aqua turquoise interior is so gorgeous. This fridge is in like spectacular condition. The butter dish, that is like the cutest thing ever. The freezer, let me demonstrate how you open the freezer. You pull it down. So clearly somebody tried to open it here and grabbed onto it. It's got a little bit of a nick there. Hopefully that wasn't at a trailer rally. But besides that, it's in really, really beautiful condition. These are getting harder and harder to find. Upper cabinets, lots and lots of storage in this trailer. Somebody has gone over the red with white. Thank you. That's something that I would anticipate doing if I were to keep this trailer. Also, just making sure that the doors aren't quite so sticky. They might need a little adjusting there. Got a little window in the kitchen and an additional prep space. Could be a bar area or just a great place for, keeping blenders or whatever. Storage underneath. I'll just open that up for you. You've got that cute little wax paper container, paper towel holder, and cabinet space. Okay. And now we're going to head back to the bathroom. So there is a door that separates the, I'm going to try to do this without catching myself too much in the mirror. So there's a mirrored door that goes from the kitchen into the bathroom. And on the way, you'll see also we have this original thermostat. It's really cool. Okay. In the bathroom, there are 3 closet doors. These slide, and folks, there it is. The beautiful red closets. So this might be a good opportunity to do some painting, papering, or maybe you might want to relay out the closet. So it looks like they've got shelves in the center and then a hanging closet on the side. There's additional shelves there. And then here is another one of those folding chairs for the front dining table. Okay, back to the bathroom. I'll close the bathroom door so you can get a good view of how roomy this bathroom is. This is absolutely my favorite layout in a trailer. I love a full-size bathroom, and I love being able to close off the bathroom from the living and dining, and then have people in the bedroom still be able to leave if someone is showering in the bathroom. Speaking of showering, this trailer has an amazing original, I'm gonna move the shower curtain, huge porcelain tub. I mean, I want this tub in my master bathroom, at home. Up above, this is where the shower head is mounted. Behind there is a tanked hot water heater. I might make a suggestion on this. You could free up a lot of space if you did an on-demand hot water heater. That's just something that I do standard now in all of the trailers that I own personally, because I don't want to be limited by my tank size. Because this trailer has such a big bathtub, it has a very large tank. And so you can see how it kind of hangs over the shower area. If you did on demand, you could take a bath every day of the week. You would never run out of hot water, and you would have more headroom there in the shower. But regardless, it's super, super roomy. You've got this great medicine cabinet here and all the cute little fixtures and a cute little bathroom sink. It's got a little nick right there. Just a couple little dings in the porcelain, but it's in really great condition otherwise. And then also here's the original toilet. It's got a little nick there and a little nick there. Yeah, let's see. We have not tested the plumbing system yet. I tend to go in and upgrade them regardless with new PEX lines. So that might be something to consider. Here are the valances again with the lights behind them in the bedroom. You've got your upper trolley light. You've got a closet there that I'm guessing has a red interior. Oh my goodness, you are in luck. Look at that. Beautiful. Really, really beautiful curved birch cabinetry here and here. Just gorgeous. But you will notice not as gorgeous is the back wall. Obviously those windows have been leaking a little bit, and so I would anticipate replacing the panel there, the wood panel in the back wall there. This is the original mattress, and as you can see, it is in really crazy good condition. Sorry, I'll move the bedding there. You'll notice that the Box Springs original has feet attached to it, which is kind of cool. It's a little low for my preference. I would probably use this box spring and mattress just because it's cool as a great base, and then put a mattress on top just to raise it up a little bit. You got a side bank of drawers. They're in that waterfall style as well. Windows, and porthole door. The flooring in the bedroom is carpet. So apparently when they replaced the wood floor, they put carpet in back here. I checked underneath and there's nothing under it. It's just the plywood. So new flooring would be important in this back room. Oh, and then another thing about this room, it also has a door and closes off. So I'm gonna just close that for you so you can see. There's the door. And this big wall is great if you needed to hang a television. So just FYI, you've got a nice big wall there at the foot of the bed. Okay, so that is the basic tour. If you have any questions, please, of course, let me know. The reason we have this trailer is we had a client that wanted to take it on as a restoration project. They ended up doing another trailer and so have asked us to go ahead and sell this one for them as they decided against doing multiple trailers on their property at this time. So I don't know, this is just a really cool trailer. You could very easily live in this trailer, but if you were just taking it to rallies, you would definitely be the talk of the trailer park. That's it for the tour. So if you have any questions, be sure to email me at anna@flightcamp.com. And you can like and subscribe to this video, and we will bring more vintage travel trailer tours your way. Thanks so much. Bye.